Happy New Year, everybody. I'm going to get straight into this video, and you may have seen from the title, I need your help. Now, for the last 10 years, I've been making videos for you guys, and for the last 2, I've been writing articles on my blog over at simplifiedgardening.com. And the reason for this video is because I have been nominated as a Publisher of the Year award with Azoic, and it's quite a big deal for me. I'm quite thrilled that I've been nominated for this. Now, only 34 other people besides myself have been nominated, and I am the only gardener. So I'm calling on you guys to continue supporting me and voting for me for this prestigious award. Now, it's really easy to do. It's going to take about 1 minute of your time, and I'm going to put a link in the description and in the comments below for you. It's just a quick link. You go on there, you select my name, Tony O'Neill, and it's that simple, and it'll be done. So please guys, can you do me a favor? This would really mean the world to me, because I've been recognized by YouTube because of the channel growth and everything else with my little silver plaque, but nothing so much with the blogging side of things, and this is that recognition. So I want all the gardeners to come together and to vote for me, because I am the only gardening nominee there. So if you wouldn't mind, go down, click that link and vote for me. Anyway guys, videos are going to resume next week, so this year's videos are going to continue, and you will see lots more of me. I'm much better now. I've had the operation for vertigo, so we're good. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.